co-pilot down there. It has been a minute since I have done a video, and I've got a bunch of them coming up for you. Right now, Frugal RV Gal and I are doing 4 days back-to-back of travel. Gonna take you along with us.
This is a good a day as any.
You guys want to hear something crazy? Listen to what my new carburetor and open air filter sounds like when I go up a mountain or go accelerate up a hill.
And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any, to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rage. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give.
Okay, we stopped off at Staples to have some things printed and for me to do an Amazon return. And now we're gonna go to Johnny Carino's for lunch. Frugal RV Gal says they used to eat at Carino's and they would get the Italian nachos. So we're gonna try that today. We are in Alamogordo today and headed to the state park. I'll share that with you in a moment.
Your destination is on the right.
Actually, I think it's on the left. It feels left to me. Just saying. Definitely on the left. Hi, Sammy. Are you going to come stay with Bando today while we go eat lunch? Huh? Y'all doing dog stuff first, obviously.
I'm not getting them,
Yeah.
on camera. Paying.
Yeah, I know. You go. You go.
Hello.
We're here at Johnny Carino's, and this is Lena.
Hello.
You have been so awesome.
Oh, thank you so
And
much.
you recommended this
Lambrusco.
Lambrusco. I have to remember that because it's the best.
I'm glad you liked it. Yeah, it's pretty yummy.
Yeah, it is. Thank you so much. It's so nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you as well.
Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to
Good morning. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna lie. It was a brutal 7-hour drive. Google said, I think 4.5. But, you know, by the time you stop, and I had to get gas 2 or 3 times. But you guys, Phoenix just, she has so many noises. And we're going to work on lessening them. But, you know, it's like, I don't even know how to explain. But it's like everything from my screen, and Jenna already reminded me how I can lock that, and my overhead cabinet has started wobbling and making a noise, and I think if I can get an alignment this winter, that will help with that. And my window was bouncing, bam, 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 bam. And we stopped and she taped that, and it was a brutal day. And I'm gonna feed Bandit, and I'm gonna sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna go in and have dinner. I tried wearing my headset. I'll show you. I got my headset out, and I tried wearing my headset, but the pressure was giving me a headache. And then so when we got some of the noises fixed, and I wore my earplugs, and that really helped. And then sweet Jana parked right outside my door because she knows I'm having a hard time, and she knew that would help me, and to know that she's right there. And I will be better after dinner. And I'm trying to, I usually hide stuff like this from my channel, because for me it's kind of embarrassing, but I can't help my brain injury. It just is what it is. And the noise just does me in. And 7 hours of it today was too much. But I don't want to miss my book signing either. And so we're trying hard to get there and get ready for that. And it's all good. So I'll share, we're at a Harvest Host location, and we'll go in and have dinner, and I am probably going to have a nice cold beer and crash early tonight. And tomorrow is a short day compared, and then I think the next day we get to Quartzsite. But anyway, I'm like I said, I usually hide stuff like this on my channel, and I've decided to quit doing that. So there you go. What you see is what you get.
Harvest Host, we've been here. This is like our 3rd time, I think. It's a perfect spot in between New Mexico and Quartzsite. So this is the
Cattle Rest
bar. And they've got a great supper board table.
Cattle Rest Bar and Saloon, Restaurant, Dance, and RV Park. Compliments of Harvest Host. Jana, did you see they have cornhole?
Yeah.
How cool is, yeah, that's cool.
They also serve chicken nuggets, hot wings, pizza.
I predicted, feeling better, guys.
Oh, that was not right.
Oh, good. So we're getting ready to head out this morning, and I have done everything I can to minimize and mitigate some of the noise. I'm going to show you what I've done, and we'll hope today goes better. We'll see. Okay, so we stopped yesterday and taped the outside window so that it doesn't rattle, because it was just, I can't even describe to you. I don't think it'll do it now because we taped it, but it was like, I mean, just constant. And so it's not doing that now. And oh, let's see, here in the sink, my Berkey and my water pitcher and everything goes in here, and I put towels so that that doesn't rattle metal against metal, and so that should help. I put a bungee on the screen to hold it tight so it doesn't do that the whole drive. I put towels in the cupboards or the cabinet up here so that it doesn't rattle. And I actually put a towel in my refrigerator for the same thing. Can't do anything about the open air filter engine noise, and the wind noise, and my front doors rattle because the seals are so old. Can't do anything about that, but I'm gonna ride with earplugs. And that again, because of my brain injury, I have hyperacusis, and you can look it up. I have very, very sensitive hearing, and that I still can hear very well. It's not a safety issue. Bando, are you ready to travel? You ready to travel today? We got our snacks ready for later down the road. And he says, "Can I have a snack now, Mama?" And you got your blankie because it's a little bit cold this morning, but we'll be in the desert soon and we won't be cold. You ready? Yeah? Good boy. Stopped at the Loves to fill up. I, in the past, have not been a fan of Loves for a lot of reasons, but they are now starting to cater more to RVs. And if you use their app, hey Bando, if you use your app, their app, you can save 10 cents a gallon, and that adds up over time. So anyway, we're here at Love's and just filled up and got us something to drink and a quick breakfast sandwich. That was my radio. Jen and I use radios to communicate while we're traveling, and evidently somebody else is on that same channel. But anyway, we're gonna hit the road. Here we go.